Good evening. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. As we speak, Treasury Consulting is a multinational headquartered group based out Singapore. We are a multinational hedge fund, which means we take positions in US equities, US indices, European equities, European indices, Asian equities, Asian indices. We take positions in currencies and commodities. But like I said many times, we are a prop fund. By prop fund, I mean no third party can invest capital in our fund. Be it anyone, whether you are a venture capitalist, you are a private equity, you are a hedge fund, you are an institutional investor, or whosoever, it hardly matters. We only trade with our own capital. Yes, we have many other business streams, just like Sheetal Academy, our trainings, our learning platform, our OTT platform, which is now expanding over the top, and so on and so forth. In case you have any question, you can WhatsApp on my personal number, which is 9899242978. I repeat, 9899242978. Few months ago, I started my OTT platform, over the top. But it is not like Amazon, Netflix, Disney Hotstar, because they have their own forte, which means movies, documentaries, cricket matches, and all. But this is not our forte. Our forte is knowledge. Henceforth, our OTT platform is based on knowledge. As we speak, we have near about 15 plus series, which include basic series, advanced series, exotic series, treasury management system series, legal tech series, your wealth management series, crypto series, podcast series, model series, universal series, and whatnot. And from the last several years, I am consistently speaking about CFA, which is Certified Financial Analyst. I know that. The theoretical definition of CFA is Charter Financial Analyst. But I am the only exception in the universe who called this as Certified Financial Analyst. Because the course curriculum of CFA do not permit me to speak as a Charter Financial Analyst. I haven't seen the obsolete content except CFA. That's why I always speak that it is Certified Financial Analyst. So I made a lot of videos on CFA. And like I said, I'm the only one who called CFA as Certified Financial Analyst. And CFA institution is aware about that. And now our OTT platform, over the top platform, is launching something which I doubt CFA Institute would like. Which I doubt. And you know what we are launching? Launched. We launched CFA series on our OTT platform. Which means whether it's a level 1, whether it is level 2, or whether it is level 3. We would be going in a phased manner, and we would be touching all the stupidities by CFA in their course. Because when you look at CFA course, you will never realize that it is near to reality and practicality. The course which CFA institution is providing, which by the way I bought it from Amazon website, means their e-commerce website. So I hadn't bought it from any third party or the gray market. Rather, I bought it from, the Amazon e-commerce website. The course material of 2022, I feel shame that the world is moving towards artificial intelligence, robo-advisory, crypto derivatives. Just like in this week, Goldman Sachs, started the crypto funding as a loan. And Goldman also started the crypto OTC options, over the counter options. So when you compare these developments which are happening in the financial world and compare this with the CFA course, you feel like what the hell CFA is teaching people by charging thousands of dollars. Of course, I did made many videos on that. I am getting many comments. I have changed many lives. CFA Institute is aware that I am challenging them by calling themselves as certified financial analyst. And now my OTT platform over the top, which is TRFX Academy, is covering CFA in OTT, which includes level 1, level 2, level 3. And I assure you that we would be linking this with Reuters. And that's a basic problem. Because the CFA course curriculum is nowhere linked with Reuters. Whether this is a plain vanilla derivative. Like, let me give you a simplistic example. Few days ago, I was reading a book by a foreign author. This book is on options. I also bought this book from Amazon by paying around 4,000 rupees. He clearly wrote in the chapter number 1 that there are two kinds of options, call option and put option. And I was like, what the hell this person is talking? Because the two type of options are deliverable options and non-deliverable options. But what this so-called foreign author is writing in the book is there are two type of options, call and put. Please check your CFA course, whether it is level 1, whether this is level 2 or level 3. Did anywhere CFA Institute, Certified Financial Analyst Institute, told you that the options are of two types? Deliverable options and non-deliverable options. Nowhere. And I'm sure that 90% of you heard this first time. This is what we would be covering in our OTT platform. And I am challenging Certified Financial Analyst, CFA Institute, that you please wait for 6 months and see the mess on the way. Because the mess you created, touting an obsolete course material, charging thousands of dollars, would be on the OTT platform. That I am telling you. And if you're thinking that I won't be covering CPA, American Institute of CPA, and ACCA, and all these degrees, then you are thoroughly incorrect. Our team is working in that regards. Very soon, I start covering ACCA course also. This is Rahul Magan from Treasury Consulting Group. You knew my personal number, 9899242978.